Hello and welcome to the September 2023 Sky Report. My name is Vanessa and I'll be your sky guide again this month. Our first event this month, we have a visitor, Comet C/2023 P1, or Comet Nishimura. This comet was just discovered on August 12th, and it'll be reaching perihelion on the 17th this month. While predicting the brightness of comets can be tricky, the best estimates for Nishimura's maximum brightness is around third magnitude, which is visible to the naked eye. But we also have to consider the comet's location in the sky relative to the sun. At the time when Nishimura is predicted to be at its brightest, it will also be very close to the sun in the sky, and will therefore not be easily visible. Given all of these factors and more, the best time to see it will likely be early in the morning from the 5th to the 7th. On the 5th, it'll be about 6th magnitude, which is visible through a telescope. Point the telescope towards Leo the Lion in the east from 5 a.m. to 5:45 a.m. to catch a glimpse. The planet Venus will be visible in our early morning sky throughout the entire month. Venus has made its way back into our sky as the morning star. And below it, on the morning of September 22nd, will be the planet Mercury. Mercury has also made its way to the other side of the sun and will reach its greatest western elongation, which is the farthest point from the sun in our sky. Very similar to last month, but this time it's in the morning sky. Here is an image of Venus from August 12th, when it was still on the other side of the sun. The planet Jupiter will be above the horizon by 10 p.m. starting on September 7th. By September 15th, shown here, Jupiter will be about 7 degrees altitude at 10 p.m. As the night continues, Jupiter will keep climbing in the sky and will reach its highest point at around 4 a.m. If you have a telescope, this is the best time to look at Jupiter. Here you can also see that the constellation Orion is starting to make its way into our nighttime sky. Here is an image of Orion from an early morning flight on August 23rd, taken by our program supervisor, Patrick So. Two of the constellations on the way out of our nighttime sky are Sagittarius and Aquila. They'll continue to appear high in the sky throughout the month, along with the Milky Way, but this time in the southwest. This month will be the last chance this year to see the densest part of our Milky Way high in the sky, so head out to a dark sky site if you don't want to miss it. Let's take another look at the planets. Saturn is high up in the sky in the evening all month. Here it is on September 15th in the constellation Aquarius. Here you can also see that both Jupiter and Saturn will be out at the same time this month. This is how they'll appear to the naked eye, but let's zoom in and see some pictures that some astrophotographers have taken in the past month. This image is Saturn on the 24th of August, which is just a couple of days from opposition. And here we have an infrared image of Jupiter on August 24th with its largest moon, Ganymede. Ganymede is not just the largest moon of Jupiter, but it's the largest moon in the entire solar system. The planet Mars will be close to the sun this month, so we won't see it late into the evening. But on September 16th, there will be a conjunction of the moon and Mars. But it's during the day at 11 a.m. local time. By the time it's dark enough to see both the moon and Mars, the moon will have moved a couple of degrees away, but they'll still be pretty close. So take a look at the crescent moon and Mars just after sunset to the southwest. And here is the September lunar calendar. The last quarter is on the 6th. The new moon is on the 14th. The first quarter is on the 22nd. And the next full moon is on the 29th. And lastly, the fall equinox is on September 23rd and marks the beginning of fall. Thanks everyone for joining the September 2023 Sky Report. I'll see you all next month. Happy fall!